The attorney representing Roshane Barnett, the man accused of murdering a mother and her 4 children in Clarendon, is livid this evening about a video of her client making the rounds on social media, showing him being questioned by justices of the peace. As you'll hear in this report, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, is also probing the matter.
This is the 6-minute video which emerged on social media Friday evening. It shows Roshane Barnett being questioned by a team of 4 justices of the peace, which included medical doctor Dr. Andre Cook. Mr. Barnett's attorney Tamika Harris is questioning the recording of the exchange and its subsequent release.
I'm sure that it is well known that he has an attorney, and I'm very surprised that the justice of the peace and the justices and the medical doctor would have been questioning somebody who is before the court, and they are questioning him.
On Thursday, INDECOM said it had interviewed Mr. Barnett about his claims of being abused and threatened, which was made during his court appearance in the Home Circuit Court 2 days earlier. He reportedly said he was beaten and kicked in the back. However, while being questioned by the JPs, Mr. Barnett denied being assaulted.
It is a complaint he made to the court, and the court made a note of it, and INDECOM is investigating it. So they would have been interfering then, so to speak, with an investigation. So that's the second thing that I'm not pleased with. I'm not sure why, if he's examining his patient, why he would need the presence of justices of the peace. I am not sure why it is done with the gentleman being recorded. He's asked to undress to his underwear. I'm not sure what is the purpose of it.
Meanwhile, INDECOM is probing the recording and release of the video. INDECOM Commissioner Hugh Faulkner says he has not received a formal complaint about the matter. However, Mr. Faulkner says he'll be making contact with Mr. Barnett's attorney Tamika Harris as part of the investigation.
Based on instructions from Mr. Barnett, I will take action. He said he thought that the doctor was there to treat him for a complaint that he made, and apparently that was not the purpose of the medical visit that he got.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.